Hi, my name's Evan, and I've got 3 things you need to know about the Instant Vortex Plus. So, this is a wonderful, wonderful air fryer. We've had it for about a year, and I really absolutely love it and would totally recommend it. But 3 things you need to know before you use it are, first, the basket is not huge. So basically, you can fit like a full meal for one person, let's say protein and some veggies. Or you could do like 2 proteins, like 2 chicken breasts, or, green beans, enough broccoli or something for a couple of people, maybe 3 people. But my biggest gripe is really that I wish we had gotten one that was bigger than this, because that does limit us to what we can cook. But the results that it makes are always wonderful. The second piece of advice is this is kind of like this basket here. It pulls out for cleaning. A kind of like a cast iron finish, so you do not want to use soap with it. Just use warm water and clean it. Don't put it in the dishwasher. That will be a really easy way to ruin it. And the final thing you need to know to get the best results from this is that it's got to take some time to warm up, so don't directly, instantly put your food inside of the air fryer, but rather give it a few minutes to come off the temperature. It'll tell you when it's ready, but don't jump the gun on that, because it's a really easy way to ruin your recipes, which are otherwise super easy. So there it goes. Don't crowd the pot. Get a bigger one than you think you might need, and don't use soap and washing.